Hello there, what's up people?
Another one.
Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Expound. So as I've already mentioned in my previous video that I will be, showing you some of the TikTok videos which have been actually impacting people in many different ways. So, there have been so many, TikTok roasters especially, which have been recently trending now. So in the north, like Kariminati and Elvish Yadav and so many are there. And in the south is like the guy called Arju, ARJU. So guys, this is not at all a roasting videos because I don't even think, TikTok people are somewhat this, somewhat that. I don't treat them as like this because everybody is doing for their own sake to get fame, to become famous and such stuff. So, as I've already told in my previous video, which is like an hour ago, which I've just taken. So, but I'm posting it today, so you are on the next day of the video. So this is the first video which I found from TikTok. I think he's a love failure or something. Like, what will you do if you break up or something? Like, you'll go and worry about it, you'll think about it, and then you might just even forget it. But this guy is like forgetting his pain by eating something. What was that thing that even had thorns? Like, it must have hurt his mouth. Like, you can post some good content, right? But this is like you are hurting yourself physically. And what does that mean? I don't think this should be done.
6.5 hours later.
The moral of the story is actually, I feel so sorry for him. I don't know what he actually went through to actually, show that scene. But just look this video. He's actually feeling, he's actually totally different here. He just danced it like this. What? That was actually trending. What? He just saw some girl of what? Like he was just passing through. He saw some girl and he saw her face and then he shot himself. Some TikToks are like no meaning at all. Hey! Gaya na? See why do you need this? Huh? Why do you need this? You could have just post some lipstick or some other videos. Why to do such stunts which results in these kind of things? Oh my god, that was like, what did he even think before jumping? Okay, what was that? Oh my god, her eyeliner is so great. Mine is even not like that. Oh my god, her one is so great. I just want to try that. She was so epic and she was so cool. Oh my god, what was her name? I did not know her name, but I will surely follow her on TikTok. She's just a granny. What does she know? If you just ask her to do a TikTok or do something, she'll just do it. Like, she does not know what impact will it cause. But you know, she just does this because you ask her and then she just does this. And you know, this is like so bad to watch. This is a video, you know, where it has both the people's consent, like the boy and the girl, they actually agree to this, but when people see that, actually they get influenced with it, and that should not be done, and that should be actually banned. No, I'm not telling that TikTok should be banned, but the things which can actually promote such videos, this should be banned, and this should be no more. Did she actually marry to, you know, did she really dress up to take this TikTok, or was she really married and then she took the TikTok? It is so good to see such an, you know, a man with such an age, you know, doing these steps, but if you actually, you know, see his profile, he has actually 1 million followers, but you know, this TikTok has both advantage and disadvantage as well. So he is actually said that he dances like Hrithik Roshan, and you know, if this TikTok wasn't there, he wouldn't have, you know, actually come out. You know, his talent wouldn't have been recognized by the public. So in this way, this is actually a good platform. And also, if you actually see his, you know, if you actually see his house, it was like so, you know, heart melting, because he does not have anything with him, but the only source he can get something is through this TikTok. So in this situation, this is good. Okay, what was that? That is like, see, even I, you know, just want to show my expressions in front of the mirror. Like, I just go and do some expression, but this is like some next level thing, because like everything, like how do they even do this? Everything is moving, like,
oh my god! Wow!
See, this actually shows about, you know, lack of feminism. Like, he just drags her. Okay, fine, this is just a TikTok, this is just a 1 minute video which has just gone viral, but the impact from this is actually affecting our, you know, generation. Okay, single people, I know how you feel. Oh my god, I shouldn't have actually taken this video, but I just want to, you know, I just want to tell you that this is the thing which is going on. Like, these people are, you know, youth of a future generation, and these people are influenced by these kind of things, and I don't know where this will actually lead to. But let's just watch it. Okay, that's all, don't worry.
Sick with it, group drop.
If you have Gujli, you should try this. Yes. I mean, her glass actually fell down. I don't know, that was for, you know, she intentionally did it, or I don't know.
With it, group drop.
first of all, how do you actually develop that big long hair?
Group drop.
I'm like, his hair is little longer than mine, and also he puts it up and then he just adjusts it, and then he even dance. He does this, or it just looks different. He just even do that, and then. So guys, this is all I have for today. So I just wanted to give or just represent these kind of videos to you, that these are the faces of TikTok. Like, it has everything can be controlled if we use it in a correct way. So it just depends upon us. It just depend upon how we utilize it. Like these cringe, some of the cringe contents, it's like it's not that they want to do it. They are doing it because that is the only way they can reach the audience as soon as possible. Because as I told before, like if you are doing a normal video, then people might just pass on, because they just won't care about you, because that is just a normal video. But if this kind of cringe contents comes, people think that is somewhat not good, so that is somewhat negative, so we should spread this. So this is the thing which I wanted to tell you guys. So if you like this video, you can just like the video and even subscribe my channel for more. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video, guys. So until the next video,